Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're going to check a multi-step linear equation. Okay, we have negative 18 minus 6f equals to 6 times 1 plus 3f. First thing we're going to do, we're going to distribute this 6 times the binomial in front. Okay, so we have the same negative 18 minus 6f equals to 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 3f is 18f. Okay, what else can we do? We could subtract 18 from both sides of the equation, 18f. Okay, and the other thing that we can do is also to add 18 on both sides. So let's see what we have here. Okay, on the left side, the negative 18 plus 18 will cancel out. And on the right side, the positive 18f minus 18f will cancel out as well. So we ended up having negative 6f minus 18f, that is negative 24f, equals to 6 plus 18, that is 24. Okay, let's divide on both sides by negative 24. And this negative 24 on the right side, on the left side, it will cancel out, and we'll have that f is equals to 24 divided by negative 24, that is negative 1. Okay, that looks like our answer. Let's go ahead and start our verification. Okay, for our verification, we copy the same expression, negative 18 minus 6f equals to 6 times 1 plus 3f. Okay, what are we going to do here? Whatever is f is mentioned as f, we're going to replace by the value that we just found as of negative 1. Okay, so we'll have negative 18 minus 6 times negative 1 equals to 6 times 1 plus 3 times negative 1. Okay, let's continue solving. We have negative 18, negative 6 minus 1, that will be plus 6, equals to 6 times 1 minus 3. Okay, so negative 18 plus 6, that should be negative 12. And we have 6 times 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. We have negative 12 equals to negative 12, which is true. Therefore, our answer of f equals to negative 1 is correct. All right, thank you for watching. Remember, you can send your questions and the problems from your homework, and we will be happy creating content for you.